In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams if it's not working on your device. We'll focus on solutions for Windows PCs and laptops to ensure you can get Teams running smoothly again. Let's dive in. First up, we're going to clear the Teams cache. This is often the simplest way to resolve issues with the app. Start by fully quitting Microsoft Teams, and a quick way to do this is by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open the Task Manager. Here, find Microsoft Teams in the list of running applications. Right-click on it and select End Task to close it completely. Next, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard simultaneously. This opens the Run dialog. Here, type %app data %+ Microsoft.teams and hit Enter. A folder will open displaying internal Teams files. You need to delete all files and folders inside this directory. Don't worry, removing these won't delete your personal data, just temporary files that Teams might use inefficiently. Once you've cleared out these files, restart Microsoft Teams and try using it again. If the problem persists, you might need to repair or reset the Teams app. Start by pressing Windows and I to open the Settings menu. From there, navigate to Apps and then select Installed Apps. Find Microsoft Teams in the list, click on it, and choose Advanced Options. Here, you'll see the options to either repair or reset the app. Repairing will try to fix the app without affecting your data. However, if that doesn't work, opting for Reset will reset the app to its original state and clear any saved data. If you're still facing issues, checking app permissions is crucial. Head back into Settings, then go to Privacy and Security and look for the microphone and camera sections. It's important to ensure that Teams has permission to access both your microphone and your camera, otherwise you might experience limitations during calls. Lastly, if all else fails, consider reinstalling Microsoft Teams. Start by uninstalling the current version from your computer. Once that's done, head over to the Microsoft Teams website to download the latest version. The link is easy to find via a quick web search or directly on Microsoft's homepage. After downloading, install the application and sign in with your credentials to see if the problem is solved. That's your comprehensive guide to troubleshooting Microsoft Teams on your Windows device. Remember, sometimes a fresh restart or a complete reinstall can work wonders for persistent issues. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful, and now you can enjoy seamless video calls and collaborations once again.